aspect, sir, may nagpakilalang abogado na nag-file ng case against Defense Secretary Ibo Teodoro ayon sa perjury falsification documents in relation dun sa kanya Maltese passport. Now, itong abogado po na ito is claiming na may mga majority of AFP generals ay gusto rin daw na magsampa po ng kaso at mayroon daw namumuong tensions between the Secretary and the military. Ano po yung reaction po ninyo or ng AFP po regarding this matter?
Chair, before our spokesperson will be answering, would like to give context first. The first claim of that particular is a group of lawyers. I think yun yung unang ginalita, and then there were active majority of generals. I think that was the news that was provided by an outfit.
Pero yun ang sinastig.
So, but it turned out, just to give context to your question, so that our spokesperson could answer, as it turned out, it was only one lawyer, together with other concerns in the Senate, and even up to now, there are no active generals filing the complaint. I think those are facts, and we'll give the chance for this spokesperson to respond.
Thank you, Sir. On the legal side, I would like to refer to the Department of National Defense for the merits of the case. On the claim that the majority of generals of the AFP will be filing a similar case, that is a joke that should be laughed at and not replied to.
So sir, hindi totoo may namumuong tensions between the military and Secretary Teodoro?
Totoong joke yun. No such claim exists. Laugh at it. It's a good joke.
Thank you very much. Would you like to have a follow-up? Yes, it is.
Hi sir, good morning. Sorry about earlier, natapon kasi yung kape. Anyway sir, are they